Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your stock watch list with Robinhood. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your stock watch list on Robinhood, start by opening the Robinhood app on your device. Log into your account if you haven't already done so. Once you're on the main screen, navigate to the watch list section. This is typically located at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the watch list to view your current stocks. To remove a stock from your watch list, find the stock you wish to delete. Swipe left on the stock entry. You should see a red Remove button appear. Tap on the Remove button to confirm the deletion. Repeat this process for any other stocks you want to remove. If you want to add new stocks to your watch list, return to the main screen. Use the search bar at the top of the screen to find a stock you're interested in. Type in the stock's name or ticker symbol. When the stock appears in the search results, tap on it. Once on the stocks page, locate the Add to Watch List option. Tap on it to include the stock in your watch list. You can repeat this for any additional stocks you want to add. After updating your watch list, review it to ensure it reflects your current interests. Your stock watch list is now reset and up to date. Enjoy tracking your new selections on Robinhood. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.